So in this video, I'm going to be solving two-sum. So given an array of integers and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, pretty simple question. If you look at some examples here, we just need to find two numbers that add up to the target, like 2 and 7, which equal 9, and then return their indexes. Only one valid answer exists. So the way I want to solve this is I want to, basically what you can do is sort of like a nested for loop. You, for each element in nums, you want to look at all the other elements, and if each of those elements plus your current element equal target, then you know which indexes you have, but that can be reduced to less of a time complexity by using a hash set. So what you can do is you can it'll actually be a hash map because you want to store the number as well as its index, because we have to return the indexes. But what you can do is you can go through the nums array and just enter every single number into the hash map. So you cannot use the same element twice. That's something else to note. But you enter every element into the hash map. And then once you have that, you can go through each element in nums again, and for each element, if there exists an element in the hash map which, when you add it to nums, it equals target, you just return the indexes of both elements. So let's go ahead and code this. So I'm going to start by just making my integer answer, which will be returned. Now make my hash map. So hash map nums map Okay, so now I'm going to iterate through nums. I'll just do nums map dot insert. So we're gonna have the number, so nums at I, and then I, the index itself. Okay, now we're gonna again for I equals 0, I smaller than nums dot length, I plus plus. If okay, so first we need to get we want to get the difference. So int diff equals target minus nums at I. So that's the second number we need. So we do if nums map dot contains key target and nums map dot get target does not equal I, because we don't want it to be the same value twice. They have to be two different values at two different indexes. So if that's the case, then we can simply return so ands at 0 equals I, ands at 1 equals sorry, not get target. It would just be nums.get target. Yeah, targets, and then we'll just take this here because this is also the second index I want. And then we can just return ands. That should be good, and then we can just put return ands here, even though we should never be reaching this because something should be found since there's always an answer. But yeah, let's run this. Okay, numsmap.insert. I think it might just be put. Okay. Let me think here. Looks like there's an error somewhere, but if I go into nums, I'm adding each element into the hash map. I went through here. Diff equals target if nums map contains key target and nums map get target does not equal I. Answer at 0 equals I. So why is it 0 0? Okay. Sorry. No. Yeah. It's correct that it contains key target. Sorry. Contains key diff actually. There we go. Same here. And same here. There we go. Okay, and there we are.